Good morning, everyone. Uh, Welcome to Kala. So today we'll be talking about the solution we have to maximize your productivity and improve your profits in the finishing operation. Next, please. Finishing can be seen at an extra cost in your manufacturing process. So what we've done so far is bring solutions to avoid any delay in your production's workflow. You save time and labor cost on the products you're making and avoid any bulk and injuries at work. Um, so we've been integrating all this into our development plans and to consider solutions to make you profitable in your finishing operation. What we learned from the pandemic in the recent year is there's a need for more efficiency, for multi competencies in the company, uh, reduce physical contact, so uh, and take extra care about user safety as well to avoid any sort of accident and injuries. Um, Therefore, uh, the next piece, sorry, as you already know, we have a range of laminators that became quite famous over the year. We come with waste-free solutions. That means reduce wastage of prints. Uh, we It can run as unsupervised roll-to-roll lamination as well. For instance, here you can see the machine next to me. I can hit that button on the remote control. That's a new device we have, and it just starts running. So that means you can do other things at the same time, or if you need to process long boards or wide materials, you always can reach it without touching the control panel. So that I'm gonna let it run, so you'll see what it does. As you know, it doesn't skew throughout the process. Can increase the speed as well or reduce it, and soon we can also raise the rollers. Uh, the fact that it doesn't skew is pretty important for all finishing because that avoids stop, restart, and avoid cutting and reprint in particular, which is your main focus. Also on that, so we have easy access to all the parts. So that's a bunch of new features we've done to increase productivity. Here you see we can fit 2 rolls of media from the machines, so that saves time in your loading operation. The remote control, which I already used. You can also put a slitter online, which is here at the bottom, that would cut either the film before lamination or the media once laminated. And we also introduced last year a roll lifter that's specially studied to match the height of our laminators. So we're going to illustrate that in a video just now. Next, please.
Hello everyone, I'm Patrick from Cala. I'm taking over Laurent in order to talk about our new range of products. We are not the first to do that, but we came with a flatbed applicator, which is the only one. Our flatbed applicator is one unique machine which comes with safeties. At Cala, we are really keen on safeties because we don't want any operators to get injured while doing something is get paid for. So that is the first thing we had in mind when we developed the applicator. Nowadays, the applicator is the only machine with several safeties, laser safety. The roller will not fall down onto the table while the operator is moving out of the board. So that is really a plus on the market. As well, the ergonomics is really important because we wanted the machine to fit our range of laminators. That's the reason why we are using the same shaft as our full range of laminators. Um, that machine is coming with some features that allows the operators to work on the side as the board is not in the center, and that will help him to be in good health and with good back at the end of the day instead of always centering the boards into the center of the machine. We have a design of the table which allow you to have some storage underneath, which is a really good feature. But next phase, first of all, we are not using air, so that's a good feature. We have electricity nowadays, and air is something of the last century. Um, you can see on the slide that we have a laser. That laser will slow down the roller while it's going down, keeping the fingers safe for the operators. And as well, what we have is on the you can personalize, you can customize the table with your own decoration, which is a really nice feature. Thanks to Justin from the Rap Institute, you can see of what we had here while he came to make the videos. As a conclusion, and I have to be fast, we have to go through the video and then I will conclude. Next, please.
It's the world's only flatbed laminator that operates with electric motors and not an air compressor. Hearing is believing. Let's listen to an air compressor flatbed laminator. And now, let's listen to a Kala. And now you can see the difference with air compressors versus the electric motors of the Kala, especially when mounting boards. With air compressors, if you are working on the side of the table, the roller will drop unevenly. This means you can only work from the center of the table, which severely limits production workflow. Because the roller of the Kala flatbed laminator is controlled by electric motor, it means that a drop is perfectly even when working from the side of the table. This means mounting boards can happen anywhere on the table for ideal workflow. More importantly, with air compressors, the roller will drop heavily off a board, which can lead to mistakes and accidents. With the Kala flatbed laminator, if a roller comes off the board, the drop is controlled and stopped. The control boards are enclosed, which means no accidents, and this unique laser system will detect unwanted objects and automatically slow the roller so it can be raised. A built-in cutting groove on the side is standard for most flatbed laminators, but what is unique about the Kala is that the side is beveled, which slows the blade down so it doesn't jump off the side of the table. In short, safety has been intelligently incorporated on all levels for the Kala flatbed laminator. Most flatbed laminators with air compressors have no storage directly underneath the table, which means you have to work from the outside in. With the Kala flatbed laminator, there is a wide storage area directly underneath the table, which can be used for a wide variety of workflow options that best suit a wrap shop. like storing the daily workflow underneath the table for focused production, or for storing rolls of film and lamination so they don't take up workspace on rollers next to the table. So it's clear that the Kala flatbed laminator is all about safety, quality, and even fun.
Yeah, we wanted to add something regarding user safety and regulation. All our products are compliant to the real machine directives required for applying CE certification, which is a self-certification. Next, please. I understand you are running short of time, so we're going to conclude with this. By spending a little more money in our products, the idea for us is to help you raise your profit. Have a good day and a good show. Bye-bye.